Yes, my people, welcome back to another video. You don't know, it's a late post outside of the norm of getting a morning video. But as we did tell you now, to prepare not to get any video probably today and tomorrow. But you don't know the principle about it. If me see the work and me get the little time, me I go do it. And you know, where me supposed to do today, this morning, end up cancel, so me get a little more time. So wife say, alright, me know tomorrow you go busy, so me I hold you down all day today, me still not let you go. So wife did hold me down. So she hold me down for a reason. Because when me get up and she let me go, me buck up in this. Buck up in buck up in. So me never know say Donna and the Prime Minister Andrew Holness are the hot topic out of social media. Yes, Donna and the Prime Minister is the hot topic. And when I say them is the hot topic, I mean over the whole, despite people still talk about the Prime Minister calling to her, calling out her when she in passing Mountain View, I not talk on the basic of that. It's like the two of them can't do or say nothing. And the whole social media not send it viral. I could talk a little bit. I'm not going into no details, but I just show you what I try to say. The Prime Minister, because this video is about Donna and one whole bag argument to me here going out here with Joshy. Right? And the sad wife woman where have so much skeleton and skull in her cabinet. We're not supposed to in a cabinet. That's supposed to in a closet if anything, but it's in a fair cabinet. Come out here, say what she have to say. Donna feel if you do a video referring to she. So with Donna doing the video referring to she, the tell lie Nancy Camp not sit well with Donna answering the sad wife. Right? And dirty nasty but doing not feel comfortable with Donna up answering the sad wife. He must say why she not gonna answer Lorraine. So they make the whole bag issue with what Donna come out come say what they about a bag with Joshy be a big deal. So I just saw the video there, but me just gonna highlight something yes sir. Since we did bring in the Prime Minister name in it. The Prime Minister has done a meeting Sunday in Old Harbour roundabout. And I'm telling you, I don't know, people, I fear wonder if society are try to push the Prime Minister just as how them did push cartel. Because the Prime Minister have said two things that these people blow out of proportion. And when we look upon the caliber of people we're also blowing out of proportion, it's not a man like me we dunce or them round there so we done, sir. You understand? A people of high caliber, people who will high seat, run with it and blow it out of proportion, not considering about the context, as me say, with the whole bird paper argument. Alright, that gone. Sunday now, the man come on stage and he might do him thing and he might talk and he might talk and he might talk. As we know, everybody always have promise for them want give, whether them in a parliament for governance for 20 years. When the next election are going to run for put them back in another term, them a tell about what them want to do. Why them never do it in the 20 years? We know everything can do one time. But we just say in general now, because we don't want to sound like we are talk or we are talk because of labor rights. We say or we are talk because of PM. No, me are talk for Jamaica. But when me I say, the Prime Minister come out and him say the next term, after a few years, a term consists of 5 years. The next term, the next term, after a few years, gradually, him want to put minimum wage to 32,000, which is 100% of the present 16,000 now. Before he even declared that, he have said if them to take back office, I don't remember the timeline we him give. Minimum wages will go at 18,500. He will be putting on 2,500. And him tell you, you know, that the ordinary man have to pay him light bill and way. And remember, you know, after the man say, you know, within a few, because you know, the man is a little thing with them say within 90 days of office, where them want to do and achieve. So the man say, I'm going to put on 2,500 if them take back office within a certain time. Minimum wage there, 18,500. And gradually, over the period of time, him want to put minimum wage at $32,000. Everybody run with it, say yes, the Prime Minister going to raise minimum wage to $32,000. How that going to work, you know, what people are going out of job. The same set of people where say minimum wage in a Jamaica too small. All them are run out. The sufferers them where work on a minimum wage are run out because of politics and them support and be partisan and be die-hearted to a party. Them are run out and realize that this is for them if I even saw it a go. How much are we going to lose to work? Then why would not cry? Say the minimum wage is too low. Eh? Why would not cry? And when you not get big money now, you still a cry because of party support. Eh? That me want to know. But that don't worry me. Is when the people them whole high office, these business people, me see the SMME come out, oh, a lot of jobs are going to last, and then blow it out of proportion. Because them not speaking as how the Prime Minister said. And this is why I said, this look like is an organized thing to push the present government out of power. Because when we sit and we look, we hear for ourselves as dons. And you as the educated, bright university student, college student with how much degree and GCT and PCT and TTT and ABC, I go listen to what the Prime Minister say and hear the same thing as when me hear. And when you were bright and me can't differentiate. Me can't analyze because me dons. And you were bright. I go come with the wrong narrative and put it out there to the dunsers around there for run with it and spread it. And inoculate the place with it, and everywhere you go, nook and cranny, you hear everybody say the same thing. When that was not what the Prime Minister said. The man said 2,500 when them take back office after a certain time, and gradually he want to put the minimum wage to 32,000. He never say I'm gonna do it one time, and there is no way he could have do that one time because the private sector would feel it. And then it will spill over upon we now, where the same thing we might create, more jobs, you're going to end up now have less jobs because people are getting laid off left, right and center because me not have my business have 20 somebody in there. And rapidly me have to find $32,000 to pay for minimum wage. That not going to work. So 10 or 15 now have to go. So people are going to lose job. Where are going to happen? People are going to start bad for hungry. The country will go back to which part it will come from. You understand? So me don't understand where really are going because the people when me see are run with this argument about the Prime Minister saying things and them not tell the people the real truth as the educated persons. Me the duns and the dunsers round there are run with certain things. You as the educated one supposed to come out here, take to your platform, take to mainstream media, this a group, that the group, and let the people them know, break it down to the people them, say no, this is not what he meant, this is not what he going to do, this is how he going to do it, this is what he's going to do. Instead, no, them side with me the duns and the dunsers for running the wrong narrative. So what me, well, only left me to say, push them or push the present government, but we could see how it work out now. Because as me saying, people, me live in our government for 18 plus years, and me still did have to live. Whether time did hard, me couldn't find it, and me this and me that, me did still have to live because guess what, me not live off a handout, so me still have to go out there go look my own. And when government change, me still never get no handout. I still have to live and still have to do the same thing like what I do with the government in a power for 18 plus years. So come tomorrow night, anybody win. And the same life me I go live. Any better me I live, I must offer my effort, my skill, and the help of God. You understand what I say to you people? Simple. So I don't give a which party win. The only difference is everybody have them preference, everybody have them choice. You understand? And we live into a democratic country, which is a constitutional right to go and vote. And anybody you see who see fit to be the proper governance of the country, so be the case. People blind to it and say foolish go on a PMP and a PMP them want run the country. You have people who are blind to it and say Labour right are going foolishness and a Labour right them want run the country at any given time. So it's just partisan politics they might play. So me have to just leave them alone. You understand? Because the same man out there where you see a jump up today and tomorrow and every day. After the election done, even in the election, he might beg your water when the sun up help him. And after the election done and all 3 months after, all you see him a dope. And the van side him depend and wrist him a run pan chuck top and bus stop. And you might beg $1. So me just leave them. Tomorrow I come out and I go there and I do my journalism work and go vote, and that's it. Alright people? Anyway, want to know what to do? We're going to drop another video here now. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. I just clarify that if enough people who don't understand. Not for good at that foreign and hear this 32,000 minimum wage raise and not understand, so I have to explain to you. You understand? Because someone might not listen and earphone sell, but on hear it in the street. And this is how things go viral. People just hear things, not understand it, and then they go search it for themselves and listen to make them own decision. Them just run it with them ear and it just go viral. So me, I make my people. Whatever make hear and can clarify and highlight, that is what I am here for. Alright? Whether una say P or una say J. Because I know no for una P and no for una J. So we there. At the end of the day, we are all one. One nation stands alone. When the election done, me hear one woman say, must over Ashanti me pass. And me hear one woman hide me ID. Oh, me at this area my husband at that. And him now get no poop till the whole of next week. Him now get no front till the whole of next week. But at the end of the day, when the election done, him a go get front. And during the election, night and after them head up on the same pillar. So this is what me I try to show you what we out here fight for. We just want better governance of this country, no matter who around the country. That's all me want. Me don't know about nobody else. Me don't know like partisan politics. But anyway, I want to do like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up. We are getting another video. Most of all, please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Remember, that's the channel for everything we are going to go on tomorrow. When me can't get catch, me I go outside of my boundary too, because I want to go over Duane Park, I want to go over Marvally, I want to go up on Waltham, which part Peter Phillips used to control, which part the young lawyer, Davy and Vassal, no answer with Vassal, all them places them want to roam tomorrow. You understand? So me I go out in the street tomorrow. So if you not subscribe yet, run go subscribe to Life is a Mission TV on YouTube, so you can catch you and go on for all I know in the diaspora and who they down the country, out of country, and want to see we are going in the side of the area. You have a boy Life is a Mission TV to bring it to you. Alright? And anyway, you know they down the country, and as a supporter of the country, you can catch some little clippings to and send it, come give me man. But just to make the video them long. Because when them long, it's a good problem to send through WhatsApp. Make some little 1 minute video or 30-second video. You can make any amount. Go on the catch and send them come. All of my people them they cross through the country. So me can edit them and put them together and make a video. Alright? Just send me them, tell me which country, which parish, where. Yeah man. Una gonna be my correspondent. Just like how TVJ and CVM have them correspondent. Una when out in the street tomorrow, una just send one up, come give me. Just some little 30 seconds. Because if the video long as I say, I have no problem to send through WhatsApp. So make some like a 30-second video. If you even want to make 5-6, but don't make the video. If you're on a scene, instead of you make the video 4 or 5 minutes long, no. 30 second, bam. 30 second, bam. And you send them, come give me. Yeah. Alright? And remember, support the merch on the website of Charms and Trends. That shop continue to help me so me can continue to help the needy and not the greedy. Follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Right now the video. We're done with the Prime Minister part. That is like a video itself, you know. But me just can't bother the 2 video right now, so me just whoops and I deal with this.
To progress. When me tell you said Donna married who a big scammer, when I think I lie me I tell.
Ping ping. You me shit watch her come for.
I wanna come help me make this make sense.
Oh yeah, go for happy wife.
And she come out. I big up her chest how the Prime Minister call her name. But you pick me and go back to school now with one bag. Tape up and I don't believe the story. I don't believe it. But since as a
So our pitney I go back to school with a bag with tape up. Well, me not see no tape on it, a glue dash upon it. You know, like little side, it have a little side pocket. Them bag they normally have a little side pocket, mesh part. Some of them are not mesh, but you know where you can stuck a little water back there, so you know, right there, so look like the paper glue dash upon it. So it's not tape paper, the bag not tear up with tape up. Glue dash upon it. But what me I say, you come talk about something where you don't believe, say, I saw it go. Because you want to make it look as if, oh, Donna want people to buy Joshy a bag. Come on. And this is why I have to highlight things like them here, to make people see how foolish you is. Things when you come out here, come talk about, and you know say, yo, Father God, make sure you go and talk. Your husband no regret the day he married to you and Bucky in America, where you don't have no time for exercise him dick. Him dick a fall apart based on my understanding and when me hear. Almost when me see. Because there's no way my woman could enter my house when me married to. And 3/4 of the days where me in the house, she in the basement doing what? She not wash, she not clean, she not cook. So what you doing in the basement to do? Pan phone. In a people business. That me have to come pan life come tell you about dirty plate in a sink where you not wash. You understand? You live in a house with a man, it come like when the man did there, you're the elsewhere in the house. It's only when him not there, you're the all bout in the house. So if Steve no regret the day he meet you and married to you, me not see why Donna picking them for regret her. If your daughter we have to come to you after over a period of time, she see how much time you have spent on phone talking about Donna. She never want to know what you talk about. But she have hear you multiple amount of times she come around you. She hear you and see up on phone and it's just Donna. That she have to ask you, what Donna do you? Make you hate Donna so. Have you ever sent any money to Donna yet? And you said no. If she no regret you, why Donna pick the for regret them? Regret she. That is a prime example of how most time when I grow and I pick them. Probably this is the same way Marcia grow CJ. As what she said, we are going to talk off of what she said. Buying him the most expensive, this and pretty dan and the most crepes and sneakers and all kind of things. Because when I feel like someone can afford things, when I spoil Pickney, Pickney must not be spoiled. Pickney must not be spoiled. Pickney have to learn sometime if know say them see that and them want it, but them can't get it. Pickney must not. Remember now, you know, I want them want it, you know. And unnecessary need them, you know. Where them can't do without it, you know. Want. We know how kids are. Kids ready. But you cannot grow your kids to feel like everything in life that them want, them can't get it. Because when them grow up, that's the same way them are going to feel. Anything in life them want, them are going to get it. And if them not get it when them grow up, because probably them can't finance it, or whatever circumstances, you know the next thing, because them name, I forget it, you know, because that's how them grow. You know what's the next thing? Them are going to get ready for people things. Me have my 2 daughters when me I grow my 2 daughters them. Them not short and no necessity. No necessity them not short and me never have nothing in a life. But me make sure them have all their necessity. Them never miss private school yet because of school fee or lunch money. Them never miss prep school yet because of school fee or lunch money. Them never miss high school yet because of school fee and lunch money. And remember, I never have a stable job. But me make preparation for their necessity. Anything else come after, come after. We know how kids stay, as me say. A child will just done eat them belly full and go to the road and see something on the pan. Mommy, daddy, me want that. You are going to know your child just done eat a belly full and see something we're pertaining to go into their guts also. And you're going to take it by hand like I want ice cream. Or you know, say, boy, that different. And you're still buy it. That simply means you're leading this kid to dictate what they want. It's your responsibility to dictate to that child. You understand? Not that child to dictate to you. You are the parent. And when you're going to make this child feel like everything in life that they want, they should get. You're not growing that child properly. Kudos to the kids where their mother give them everything and their father give them everything. But in a real life, you have to have it sometime and tell them no. There is a lot of times me have it and might pick them ask a certain thing and I tell them no. Even if it's a case where but just use a reference as just eat and go to the road. Even if it's a reference where them never just eat, but you know them not hungry. And them go out there. Sometimes you as the parents, remember I groom them, you know. So you as the parents, as me say, you can't make every time them say, hey, you go so. Sometimes you have to hold back. See them reaction. And at the same time, you toughen them. If you know, say, things in a life will never always be the same. No matter what you do. The businessman, you have millions of dollars and billions of dollars in investment. At times, you hear them, just like you hear them come out and say, boy, Grace Kennedy lose X amount for this quarter. Or you hear them come out and them say, JN gain X. A same way in a life. With me and you, it go. Things have it ups and down. So you have to prepare your kids them for them time there. You can't prepare them, make them feel like, say, the place will always be sunny and the rain not gonna fall at no times. So you can't take off the house top. And then when the rain come down now, wet up the things in the house. Who is to be blamed? You. Because you did always make these kids feel like the rain will never fall. A sun will go shine right too. So they can't take off the house top. You have to groom your kids. So if Donna come out and decides that she's not buying a bag for Joshy this year because he have bought 2 new ones plus the one where she make him carry go to school. I used to do the same thing with my kids. Because you buy the dearest bag and the quality bags. Because that's one of the things I used to buy quality bags like John Sport and those bags. Because I believe in spending one good money. It might sound too much, but at the end of the day, it costs you less. Because if you go and buy 5 of these cheap phone case, and every time you put your phone in there, you want to take it out. 4 or 5 times you take it out, it busts up. Better you buy one good one, this value of $1,000. And you buy 5 of this in 5 months. And if you did buy one for $7,000, you get one whole year out of it. Do the maths. So I always used to buy quality bags. So at the end of the term, the bag can wash and go back to school for even 2 years. Then wear the bag for 2 seasons, two term. You understand? You feel like say because it's back to school, fresh, and that's the concept that we have. The concept what we have, the picnic for God, brand new every all when them have a brand new bag. You have to buy your next brand new bag. If you check these kids who are going to school, where have people who can afford it, when you check it, them have bag pan top of bag, you think I like when you go and shop and them are selling the bag, have the bag them, the 5 pound bag them are without flour. The amount of bag them are because what every term when you buy them a bag all when them don't need no bag. And at the same time, the ones them wanna have wanna now take them and give them to the less fortunate. But you don't have them piled up. Because you feel like you can't afford it. That's waste of money. Kudos to who want to do it, but that's a waste of money. So you want to tell the woman how to run and brought up for your child. Me, you go further down in the video talk about the woman separate the little boy from him sister. But wait, go and talk.
Joshy. 4 school bag. Not to mention the blanket anti them. 4 school bag. Should I call you owner? Went down to Jamaica in a suitcase, in a barrel or whatsoever for Joshy. One should have come from your daughter, your other daughter, your son, or yourself.
You know, I say this all the while, you know. Use this as an example all the while. Why you going to go downtown and see a man that own a store and sell clothes and shoes where you are buy from him? And when you look at him in a film like a piece of lean crepe and him wash out jeans. And you of course him say him can't change him clothes. When you after buy clothes from him, you gonna say him can't change him clothes. When the man can't afford to more than change clothes. Eh? The man can afford to more than change clothes. And you gonna say him, the man mindset is not about clothes, because that man if you get up and go in the yard go hold a shower now. Him beat everything in your closet. Him can change every day when you can't. Different clothes. So how you gonna cuss a man now? We can afford to do something. He's not the worst. Him just damn work, and this is how him damn work. Probably this is just film way of him to wash out jeans, because him know what him intention is about. It's not to come out here come look you. It's not to come out here come titivate and dress up for girl see him and call to him. Look at wash out jeans and my little slippers and my crepe lean so like one Chuck Tracy broke. But at the same time, you can see leeching out the road and tell and see him certain way and cuss leeching. You can see the entry out the road and cuss him straight see him certain way. When him can do far better than what him do by the tip of the clip of Sajam. Eh? You can't do that. So as me I say, Donna can more than buy bag, we all know that. So if the stance is for she to make Joshy go back to school with this bag, it's not because she broke, it's not because she owed this a foreign, it's not because her kids them stagnant a foreign as well you say, and all these things. She decided to make Joshy carry back that bag to school. So nothing wrong with that. So if you see something wrong with that, no problem.
4 school bag, so him no need no handout. Him no need, him never, you should not look for handout for him. You should never draw one bag.
What I miss, people? It seems like right so we should say like me miss something. Me miss something? Wanna tell me in the comment if me miss something. No handout. Did Donna come and me don't know, me ask you if me miss that part there. Did Donna come on her platform begging for a bag? Me don't know. Me just ask you, cause me don't know. Me can't miss it. Probably when me I watch it, me doze off. Probably when me I watch it, my phone ring. Probably when me I watch it, me run out of the house and miss the part. Cause sometimes you listen to something, and probably part of it all boring, you say, alright, me I run go this, I go do this and come back. And by the time you come back, it get hotter, you miss something where so me I ask you. Because the impression she a give is like Donna come out here a big plank of buy Joshy a bag. Because when she come out here come do her style that she know Donna style. Donna draw the bag for people sorry for Joshy now and send him back. Come on. That's how low you think of the woman? And why should have done that when she could have easily well said, Nana Lane, buy one bag for Joshy send down there. She could have easily well come on our platform and say, which plank I want buy Joshy one bag? But she no need to do that. You don't ever see her come in her phone and beg nothing for her picnic them yet? You don't ever see her come in her phone and beg her nothing for her. She had to refuse things. Few times somebody will come and give something and say, give Joshy to buy ice cream. Few. So you make it look like the woman come out here and give her impression like say boy she want the plank and them to buy Joshy a bag. Come on. So hey, when you do them something here, man, you know widen the scope for people look through and soon big for who is. Because when you jump and run with you, so no make no sense, me agree. But you say you not get PR for social media, so me don't know. But me agree it's content for you for run with. Because if tomorrow morning Donna come out here come say she go heaven and go meet Jesus like how Marcia said. It would have been a big topic out here. But Marcia come out here back to back and say she go heaven and she see Jesus. But me don't know what happened. She come back down, me don't know if Jesus reject her because CJ. But I should have CJ go to heaven and get rejected because of she, because of her sins and curse. But no run with that. But as me say, if I did Donna on that run with it because guess what? She a hot topic. She bring attention to you. She bring views to you. So she can't say nothing. If she come out here and she say this a natural juice, naturally squeeze just throw in the box, no preservative, no sugar. Or when a joke she make, you run with it and take it on a big thing. And if somebody else come out here and say the same thing I want to hear, but you don't care.
But bro, this is not, yes, yeah, look the money for him. But remember, this is a child who it go affect him. And when you came around the corner and tell him, say, no, you're not going to wear it. We just want money. We are condemned. Him a go have it a go with him, a go hate you for it. If the plank of them no come out, come tell you this, because not what people like is when they go back to school the first morning and I show them pretty dandan. And I show them pretty dandan and I show them shoes. That's
We all agree, but 7 brother, 7 different mind. There were so many things that we used to do as a child that when we grow to becomes an adult, we do it no more. Life have changes. Things and times won't be the same. And things and times now go just change unless we make the effort to make the change. The more you grow, the more you learn. And if you grow and you not learn, and where you see things are happening around you and things are resolve and dissolve and gigalve and all kind of galve, and you now move with the time in a certain way, something wrong with you. Right now you shouldn't have no cell phone. Yeah, you shouldn't have no cell phone. You should not use cell phone. You should just depend on your big old house phone. And that you have to depend on. But guess what me now? Uno move with the time we suit uno. But when others are move in a certain direction to make changes from what they used to do before, uno see say I move them and move with the time. Time don't stay the same place. You notice when you look on the clock, the hand them continue to go around. As simple as you see that minute hand, every time the second hand tick, the minute hand move. And every time the minute hand move, the hour hand move. It not stay one place. With your naked eye, looking at the clock, you might just see the second hand move because through that tick fast. Tick, 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 tick. But every tick it tick, The minute and move, you might not see it with your naked eyes, but it move. And every time the minute and move, the hour and move. All you think when it depends 12 o'clock. All you think, you feel like say when it just go around, it just move one time, whoops, and go up on 1 o'clock. No. It gradually moves. So time do move. Time change. Nobody want to stay the same place. And people are going to do whatever suits them, whatever better off them life, whatever them feel comfortable with. Uno are nobody to come out here and tell any adult how to operate their personal life, personal business, and them family life. When Uno is as scared of Uno own life. Uno life Uno live Uno scared of it, you know. But Uno want to come out here come tell others how to operate their life.
Pleasure, September morning, the 1st of September morning, every kid, people, you never have it. But I never be once you repeat a uniform, nor a school shoes, nor
I can see with that, people. Repeating school uniform and school shoes now. You have your school uniform for in the week, on a Friday, yeah, you wear the old one. But your kids go to that brand new uniform every September. The old one them, like the old one them when too damaged and still a fit because you know some of them grow out. You know, you use them as a backup because you know, remember, we not a control of the man up above. So school can done 1 week and the next week a beer rain. The weekend, I should say, a beer rain. Uniform can't get for wash and hang out for dry. So guess what, me know? You rally to that one of them last year uniform there for them go to school, you know. So you know really dash them. But you make sure them go out every September, man, if I have a 3 brand new uniform. Because I always make sure my pit them have 3 brand new uniform. A 4 uniform I make them have still. But you don't know time, sometime my tighter way and you cut it to 3. But me always give my pit them 4 brand new uniform every September. Per Friday now them bounce back on one of the last term one. Shoes the same thing. But the bags, we need to change this. Especially for the people them, well, me can't tell nobody what to do, but me I say. The bag thing where you buy a picnic a quality bag. We can serve him all 3 years. Him do 1 year with it and the next term not do the bag and you still buy a next bag game. And at the same time, it's not like you look for somebody who is in need. We want the bag we him carry last year. We don't have them pile up to not throw them in a rubbish pan. If only did that buy phone, pick them new bag and then give that second hand bag to a child who don't have a bag. It would have bad and not so bad. But no. Only just do it because you're not telling yourself as well you just say you want your picnic go brand new. That's the life we not try to live, you know. This high life, you know. Better you not start saving the money for your grand picnic college yet. All of them bag money they could have put on and save. Where they talk about. All of them money they could have put on. But I don't sound to look upon it. I don't want to prove to the world.
She cannot come out of my door with one old bag unless I know me her mama. You see what you done to this little boy?
You do things to suit people. I make it look like you're alright in our life.
You done to
That's
this
what I want
little
to do.
boy? Him a go have it in him till him a man him go and eat your feet. No matter the gift where you give him, he will never like you even if him never carry that bag. Go through a school gate. What you done to him on internet, it not going to move. A lot of one mother come out and do them something to the kids, them don't realize how not affect these kids. Don't realize the damage one do to them pick me because I love of
So one bag should take away the child's happiness. You have never come out here and compliment this woman for nothing what she do. Nothing. Because if you don't even come out here and I say, boy, alright, me not lie, me not gonna hide my conscience, me like what she do, that never too bad. Before, you could have done make that sentence there. You find something negative to say, so automatically, you wipe out the eye marks they want to give her. You never come out here and congratulate this woman for nothing what she do yet. Whether her personal business, public business, family business, you never. So we don't expect no better from you. Look how much happiness this woman has give to this little boy. But you see one little bag because of she making a decision in him carrying in this bag. You don't have a problem. You know that if the glue never depend on the bag, you don't have so much chat for chat. Or you not chat so. But because the glue dash upon the bag and where she say, Allah see him get a bag here and way and play. I make you come out and chat, you know. Yeah man, I make you come out and chat, man. But as me say, you don't feel like say I wanna pull Donna shoes lace. Donna pull phone shoes lace, man. Donna know how to draw out like shoes lace. It is honest. Donna know how to draw out like shoes lace. If Donna there and say, oh, I want Nasty Lorraine call me name. I want Dirty Tina call me name. I want Germsy Marcia call me name. All she have to do is just come out here come do something. Something where people, other people would even think. If you say that would have make Uno come out here come chat. But because Donna have no energy and the breath that Uno breathe, you know, always sit and wait for her to filter all that to Uno. Uno can't get to call her name.
Eh? You about demonstrate this is the bag your child wear back, but your dad Jamaica pop bag and give away so much to people. Let people know what my them yeah and see who you is. Let them know what my them I. Lorraine, me know it's not lie she tell you know. I know it's lie she tell. Me know it's not true, but listen to me, the paint is a written on the wall that we are talking about. I know it's lie if you listen from me started. I know it's lie she tell. It's not true. What should demonstrate? She demonstrate her daughters them bigger witness in a foreign. She demonstrate Lorraine is a prof in a foreign. She demonstrate she is a drunk in a foreign. That's what she demonstrate. And when she put out there.
Me know she not put this out there where you just talk about her kids them. You not like nobody talk about your kids them. You pretend as if you never talk about people kids. But yet still, when them dash out your grandson out here, and where your husband do to him and all these things, you remember your reaction and your behavior? You talk about is what Donna put out here, you talk about. What Donna put out here where the bag is concerned, she and Joshy have to do with our three people them are foreign. That you are going to say, what you know about them, that you are going to say them are crop foreign. Because Donna demonstrate that. What Donna demonstrate? For you to come out here, to come to that conclusion, say the woman picking them a crop foreign. If Poochie, laddie, and sometimes I can't remember the next one name, decide to buy Joshy a bag if so be the case. Donna is the one that coming down and she decides that she's not carrying down that bag. Oh, Joshy is going to get that bag. And I said that to say this. This only to show you say Laddie and Poochie and the next one now have nothing to do with this. Because if they even decided to give Joshy a bag and Donna decided to say no, he might wear about that one there or one other one there, and decide not to carry it down. If somebody even carry it down, who have the last say? Who have the last say for Joshy carry that bag? Donna. So why you get Poochie and Ladian involved? Say them stagnant and them a cough foreign. There is no way, wait, Agwan Yasso. Give any indication to what you are say. You just want to drag the woman kids in it. Not the way you say Donna demonstrate, not the way you say give no indication. I'm just going to example, you know, about if them even want to buy the bag, you know, or even want to send a bag for Joshy, you know. At the end of the day, Donna have the last say if she decides that Joshy have to carry the bag to go to school. So all the people them are foreign get involved as rough and stagnant.
If I didn't put it out there, if I didn't put million out there, so I have no school bag for give me like Monday morning. The whole internet, either have the poor baby them now look on Lorraine might not have it for true, so she have to wash back milli bag. The whole internet is that tear down. And I am not here tearing down the child.
You don't recognize like that. You're a croft. We know he's a croft, so would I expect anything from you?
He will never
Nobody
forget
will look
it.
for you. You're going to like you recognize like that.
You hurt a child like this, no matter how you see my laugh with your crime is a child, him can't talk now. Wait till him turn man. Him a go remember
Poor
all of
Joshy.
them wickedness they were done to him.
You were all the way you own a
Him a go remember
real
for
for
your
out here. Joshy would have
him
been
sister,
no,
him
not the one
sister,
I talk about, or cares about what I talk
him
about.
love. And him can't see him sister. It's like you're going to eat him sister and go and remember Donna Marigo. Him going to remember. When him turn man, him a go remember.
Explain how she a growing for 18 sister now, no, man. Explain. Why explain?
The other day, me see him sister, I felt so sorry for the pitney. Me say, look there, you out here, a pack bag, you dead stranger. On your knees, you know, call your cousin and say, listen, me, you not talking about you have my knees, and me know you have face set for send a school.
Alright, one. Oh, you no know that at my off camera. Oh, you no know it at my off camera. You ever see Donna carry her family thing in a camera? Oh, you don't know say all of that at my off camera, lady. You assume. And this I want to sit down and watch people life and assume about people life. Because you don't expect to see everything in a phone. And when you don't see it, you don't go about your ways and you think otherwise and assume.
Let me take care of my sister one. I will send her back to school, supply and store. Make you tell me what wash you want. You out here take care of people one where you don't know. All because you want manifest money. You want invest more in money. And your knees, go look on the picture whether you don't know it's right that's put it up. Go look how your knees look on social media.
Yeah, go look when me done.
Go and look.
Well,
on
what,
the
social
picture when Tats
Facebook,
put
but
up.
me
You
don't-
don't know why Tats put it up.
I don't remember
Tats
Tats.
show the world. So look how your knees look. A Joshy sister. And you would have never send the little boy go look for him sister. You would have never call and say listen.
Ah, see the
Bring
page, yeah.
Priscilla come for the weekend here. Cause back to
But hold on. To my knowledge, Donna adopt Joshy legally. Tats have the little girl. I don't know if she adopt her legally. But she take that little girl as her responsibility. Donna take Joshy as her responsibility. So why Donna should have take up the responsibility role where Tad's supposed to play with the little girl? We just are saying no. When Tad's not take up fear Donna responsibility role where Joshy is concerned because she has said Donna have it, but Tad's not have it. That's what you're gonna say. Alright. The responsibility of Tad's taking up that child is Tad's responsibility. But all you wanna know, Donna might have said things like all the time, like no, send something up give the pitney. You are saying Donna no want, so why Tats can't carry the pitney or send the pitney come spend time? Get somebody where if she and Donna not talk on phone, arrange say hey, can come spend a good time with Joshy for the weekend. Be sure no Donna not say no. But why you feel like Donna should have be the one reach out to Tats? Why you feel that way? If me and my brother, you know, or my sister, you know, And them do me certain things, you know. And when them do me might not hate them like that, but remember, me not have nothing to do with them because based on what them do me. So me not reach out to them. But if them want to reach out to me, it left up to them and them do me something. Me not see why me for reach out to them when them do me something. If them reach out to me and me can assist, me assist. So why Tads don't reach out or get somebody to reach out if that little girl want to spend some time with her brother? Why you Donna have to do the reach out?
Cool. Let me get some clip and bubbles and ribbon and people are going to say you're good and
That
you're
page
nice.
or something, I'm going to look how we post now.
Because of what them say you portray something out there where you is not. Joshy I go eat you. And him I go eat you pick them with the behind you.
As I say, if your daughter don't hate you with your lifestyle.
Wait till him turn MAN. Him going to remember all of this what you done to him. Him going to remember him never get to love him sisters them. Him a go remember him never get to see him sisters them. Him a go remember all of this. He going to remember. And let me tell you something. You could have flourished him with the bestest of gifts. Him not going to forget. Mr. Child. So him should have still around his family. Him should have still around his mama, whether she mother, she no mother, she birth him. Him still should have around him mother. Him should have around him sister, especially the little one where him and Arida grow together with Tats have. Eh? Did you call Tats and say you have a bag for that little girl? Hmm? Did any of the plans
Yeah, ask the question now, but you never asked before. But what concern you?
Take care of it for yourself. Did you stop and think and call Tats and put away where you're not and say, let me ask, put your a bag for go to school, even though she have me still one girl one call my niece. And you know, me want she come look for Joshy. Did you tell Nana Lynn them say, can Joshy in the store and give him $5 and make him buy one pack of panty don't forgive him sister? Did you tell him that? Did you tell them that?
Why people may not see no post here so we look relevant to what she has said, you know.
Me understand Joshy now work and him is a child. But Millie now work and him is a child. But when a Steve birthday,
So
when
many
a
of
much
the different
birthday,
page
anything
tags have
take
something
Millie in
fun.
the store and say, my grandson. I
But
would
all
never
them posts,
do this to Millie.
Taz last post I want August 13 on Facebook. So I don't know which part, no other post there.
And said this is what my grandchild gonna wear back to school. I will never do it.
See there? Taz last post August 13. I mean I see nothing.
Big on money, no? I will never do it. You think this look good? Joshy I got 8 her to the ground show up on. Oh, Bronx nurse, you say you'd have got them first Blanca barrel them. It look like Bronx nurse change her barrel address pan Donna. You can send down some in there. Scammer too. Even though Donna the one alive, you have to run pum. Buy Joshy one bag. I go leave you get out of Blanca.
That is somebody they want a bag themselves.
Them son enough, me can remember. When them a run up and down, Donna come up back, come a class, the Prime Minister, say him no member. At the same time, when them a run all over, yes, and you call her name. It's supposed to call her name, because I'm sit down back to thief out the whole of foreign. So I'm supposed to call her name. Andrew Oldest,
But foreign
Prime
powerful
Minister,
enough, so how not use the law out there?
That Donna can't sit down and scam down foreign.
Yeah, then use the law up there, man.
One Mountain View 99, but continue call Donna name.
Use the law up there.
As a Prime Minister, we put rule in our country. Say charity should be registered and run under manners and man everywhere. And you sit down, control the whole of our scam and thief. You have 28 bank accounts to come talk about it. I know we can't hear nothing about it. And when you want to talk about it, after tomorrow
Tell us
night,
how not done.
I want the pitch money feet in up.
You just run it everything on the ear. All school bank book in the 28 bank account. You know that because school bank book there, all that in the 28. Not to mention the amount of dormant bank book.
They want to take people that are done a call.
Donna come out for one bag to scam people.
Let me tell you now, me believe it is under scamming.
Donna will go in her pocket and take up $1,000 and give it off camera, on camera, out her pocket. Come on social media to scam people to get a bag to Joshy.
3 kids in America when tell us they're working at the White House. Them under high security clearance cause White House them work. Right? And them sign our check. And them when the tax time and them sign the checks and out. Then 3 kids them work in the White House at DC. In Washington DC. Big security clearance them get to work at this so. Can anybody go this go work. And then 3 kids them working at the White House. Right? A big position in the White House.
Them work with for them print US dollar.
The 3 of them couldn't make up and buy a bag gift to
No, them work where them print the US dollars. That's where them work.
I'm sorry for that child what you put him through. And him go eat your feet. When me tell him no matter what.
And that's how you wish, you know. See Joshy grew up eat the woman. You're not going to live to see
For
that.
him to forgive you for this. Cause it's stain. You could have put on the dearest of bag.
What you do, you know? It's just, when you do right, so it's just a normal thing where human being that do in a life. You condemn a person for one bad after they have done 100 good. And not one time out of the 100 good with them do, you come and compliment them. But as the one bad happen, everybody have something to say. But nobody never have nothing to say out of the 100 good. So it's nothing different where you do yes or no.
Tomorrow.
You never compliment this woman yet, but everything on the eyesight, you want to feel like a something bad towards her, just to make she look bad and feel bad. She have a strong stomach, she not easy to feel bad.
Get a British birth certificate, him cannot get no country where him never born. Him born in Jamaica, that's where him go.
That's how they don't know politics. Ping, Stacy, and one reason me appeal a little further because I want Ping here, this is not here yet. That child come out your fear.
I said, no, sweetie, just pull and stop. Remember, say you can read more than me, you know. Stop run me down. Stop run me down. American passport one issue to him in Jamaica. Him have to come up on the Jamaican passport. And when him get here, and him father is a British citizen, him father still have to do paperwork in Jamaica. So it's easy, make them go dig up the man paperwork. And father have to file for him can't just carry him to England. So him have to do paperwork and get him up there upon a Jamaican passport. Then him become citizen in England.
Alright, immigration.
And my son, let me put him on my back because me done a British citizen here, so me can put him on my back and carry him. No, him have to file for him.
Alright, immigration officer, tell them.
Him have to file for him. He has to file for him, so him probably him can go dig up and find a child passport. Hello? In those days, when not building, if his father is British, him automatically get British citizenship. Oh, we know that speaker, no, that was say.
That just say, man, you're too lie. And when she say a different thing. Because them the time they were rule under the British.
Any country at
I know the same thing you say. A different thing she say. She trying to say them time they were rule under the British when him born. So him is an automatical British. Don't come out here because you talk about file for Ray and blah blah. Them time they don't file for the United. So basically, when him born, probably him did go up, his parents take him up for a while before him come back to Jamaica. And you know, I want to make a big thing over this birth paper. I know nobody know if that birth paper where Mark show is legitimate, 1. 2, I know nobody know what is written on that birth paper because when him goes and flick it out and go so, none of those media houses that were there never zoom in on it to show we the public what is written on it. All we know is see a paper come out the size of a birth paper and writing on it. None of the media houses zoom it up. None of them go and said, okay, or he did not. And none of them it and said, look at this. So all know, none of we know what is on that bird paper. In truth and in fact, all know, none of us know what is on that bird paper. If that bird paper is a bird paper, or that bird paper belongs to him, if it is even a bird paper. Nobody know what written on it. Because when you are watching, look, so boom and flick it out of him pocket and him go so. None of the media houses zoom in to show we the public what is on it. He did not even have the courtesy to say, come and check this. Since it would have been invaded his privacy if them zoom it in. But okay, you carry to prove to us. Come on, you prove to the country now. Call one of the personnel, if it's even one of the hosts or one of the journalists, then we are asked a question to say, look at this. You never do that, so we still don't know where they're on it either. Ping ping, line up at your time.
I see somebody come up this morning.
This is Donna first.
Yesterday, I don't know when them come out. Let them come out.
Because Donna not free for do nothing at all.
Bad situation. Yeah. The idiot said, afterwards, we come in out with this. You know, I agree that like I think, afterwards,
yeah, but you got to approve this because I done a name card, so you got to approve this.
I really got your call over here, sir. Anything I go on the internet is for the public, right? Afterwards, we try to take up this whole
Place I get bleachy. Them promise rain all week this week, you know. I mean, for them hours that the place start get bleaky and rain start fall by 3. Happy wife have too much spoiled tomato and rotten cabbage in our fridge. If you want, come tell me about my sour food in my fridge. Happy wife have too much sour cabbage. You know what is spoiled cabbage? And rotten meat in our fridge. If you want, come tell Donna about the spoiled onion them were in a fair fridge. Go clean out your fridge, happy sad wife. Before you can come tell the next man to clean out for him fridge. Go take out the frostbitten meat and sit away in your fridge. The cabbage will spoil. Before you tell Donna to clean for your fridge. Or sort out for your fridge. So I don't know where you come out your nasty Mishi Bradshaw I come defend. But because of Donna you gotta have something to say. When she was on the live, somebody said to her, it was Sunday. Hold on there. What are you talking about? Hold on there. All this now. This comment, you know. The comment is siding with them, you know, because them dunce and can't. But I tell you, she start trust the woman and approve a show passport.
On a Sunday, when I was on a God time now, on a devotion time now, on a prayer time now, on God time now. So for me to be a citizen of America, I sell out Jamaica. Well, let me tell you, if somebody cares, no, let me answer.
Somebody in the comment, but at this you don't forget, because you're not drunk or too. Nisi where you want you, at this you don't forget, because you're not crowbait too. The question is on behalf of what Andrew Olney is saying now. So basically, this person is siding with what they are saying. So she are asking a question. So for me to being a citizen of sit down on that, we're not going to hear the question. Can me remember? But me just try to show you, say, they are the one that the person in the comment side with. And to them so done, them go at the person.
So be the case, I'm going to sell out Jamaica. You know why? When me die Jamaica, and I suffer, me never seen a prime minister. America bet me one houses. So
Houses.
God for America.
You hear that? Houses.
God for America. Alright, me can't hurry up and make me answer nicely. What?
During that time, I know she gonna dig up her American passport and her Jamaican passport.
I don't know if these plans are realize how much Donna has spit in my God. And, me I listen to the caller when we called him before, and everything that man said is true. Everything that man has said is true. The Bible tells you, be careful of the people when you listen to, be careful of the preachers that preach to you. And when a group of people don't sit down and hold this down in our esteem and watch our shots, people like that place and them don't say notice. I tell them,
Sit down and wait, man. She a spot in her God face, but God still a do things here. God still have her back. Who is Uno to judge? Uno we are doing it in a God face, so no soon know we are going to reach Uno. Where you say happy wife have all the rights to talk because it's pertaining to Donna. But all the other things them where you don't like what she talk about, you don't have the right to talk. Yo! Hypocrisy at its highest level. Remember, you were diarted 2-1 before them kick you out. When you couldn't get no position, you coming like ram out. Yes, remember you were diarted 2-1 when them kick you out. Just like how ram out get kicked out from 1-2. So don't come out here come talk about diart and diart, because if you didn't ever get what you want when you were over the PMP or itch up, probably you wouldn't be foreign today. You understand? But you never get what you want. Now you come and talk about who diet like you wasn't a diet also. You run it because you couldn't get a space and you use your mouth too much. You don't read it wrong, man. You know what you do. You want to come out and come prove. Anyway, people, bless up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. I'm not going to go into that with she. You know, when you don't know, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Remember, all of the video them tomorrow with the election. And whatsoever who win from who no win on the celebration, right over there. So if you don't subscribe to Life is a Mission TV on YouTube, go and go do so now. And in the night, you might can get some live because I might in a Wi-Fi here upon the TikTok page. So go follow me on TikTok also if you don't want to get some live entertainment in the night. Yeah, Life is a Mission TV on TikTok. And continue to support the merge on the website of Charms and Trends. Help me to continue to give back to the needy and not the greedy. I'm not running a charity. I just give away from my little when I earn a month time. And if anybody's come on board and send any little thing where them say buy a water and some snowman because you don't know dry throat reasoning, it go right there so to the needy and not the greedy. So support the merch. Speak My Mind t-shirt, Ganses, anything you want, caps, anything. See it there? Yeah. on the website charmsandtrends.shop. Peace out.